Assalamu alaikum. In this video I will teach you how to extract and remove audio from your video. For that, Kinemaster, you have to install Kinemaster from Play Store. So open Kinemaster, touch the plus button. If you want to extract and remove the audio from mobile, simply choose 9:16 ratio. If you want to extract and remove audio from landscape video, you can choose 16:9 ratio. So I choose 9:16 ratio. Choose any video from your gallery. So as you can see, I have choose this video from gallery and it contains music. To extract this music, simply touch the video in the editing area and go to the bottom, then click extract audio. As you can see, the audio has been extracted. Now you can simply touch it, and if you want to make any changes to it, you can do changes on it. But if you want to delete it, so simply touch the delete button in the left corner. Now if you want to use any other music in it or any other audio in it, then simply go to audio and choose any audio. So I choose a different music from the last one, and now the video background looks different. If the music is very long, then touch the music and go to trim split and trim to right of playhead. To export video, simply touch the button in the upper right corner. Then choose the resolution and simply touch the export, and your video will be ready. For more videos, you can simply like and subscribe my channel. If you have any question regarding this, you can ask in comments. Thank you for watching.